size of this big door here. Behind the 2 steps. Oh, yeah. 1, 2. Goodness. What's the size of that oak door? Look at that. Big oak door. Massive. What's that up there? Cool. Wow. Look at John. It's beautiful. Oh, it's massive. It's all these little hidden gem churches about. Oh, it's quite long. Look at that, it's beautiful. Really old pews. Oh, got some sort of writing on them. Cool. War memorial. Right, this big door here. Cool. Like this up here. A bit dark in here. Right, let's go this side. Let's see if we can see this side. St Andrew's list of incumbents. So let's see. From very dark, 1317. So I can't really see it. So dark in here, somebody else. Right. That's one list. This is the other list. Up to 2019. Cool. Right. So, look right down the bottom. Wow. Right. Lots of nice, I'll take the photographs of the windows in a minute because there's lots to look at. Right, walk up the nave. Stop. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that organ. That cool pipe organ. Beautiful. Here lies the body of somebody. Oh, that's tiny writing, that is. My goodness. 1715. Writing on that. Okay. Is this a little pulpit? No. Little reading. What lectern? Little lectern. Quite dark, this one. Oh, what's in here? Wow. Which way we gotta read it? It's upside down, back to front. Let's see if I can read it. Can't read it. Can't read back to front. Right then, what we got over here? Got some keys around this stone plinth. Look at that. Another door over there. Wow. Look at them lovely windows. Oh, what's over there? Wow, look at all this. Isn't that cool? Oh, here, what's this one? Got some general in here. General Henry Seymour Rawlinson, 1st Baron of Rawlinson. I don't know if you can see all that. It's very dark in there. Can't see nothing. I'll take a picture of it. Do not enter. It's got an alarm. Let's go tell them to enter then. Let's take this over here. See if we can see anything. Another one there. It's very dark, so you couldn't hardly see anything. That's some for carrying coffins. Don't know what that is. Old chairs in the background. Can't see. We might be able to get photographs. I don't know. Yeah, that's cool. Stone floor, right then, let's go for the other side. So here's the pulpit. Nice wooden one. I'll just go and have a peek in the pulpit. What's this one say? Lots of people remembered. It's beautiful. That's what you can see from the pulpit. Still got big light switches. Nice, nice frieze wooden panels. As I say again, the light in here is not very good. More like this side. That's beautiful. Cool. Beautiful. Right then, what's over here? Oh, what's this? This is the font. This the font was a nice top on it. Wooden top. Can see in there. No. Right then, here's somebody's cape. Is this a bishop's cape? Let me see. Don't see my ugly mug. Right, let's have a look down here. What's it say down here? Japanese silk. Property of the Archbishop Lord Fisher of Lambeth. They were worn by him ministering in Trent in 1962 to 72, which he did during the 65, 73, blah, 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 until his death. Was given on his death. Lovely cassock and stuff. Beautiful. The sun's coming right through the window here. Hi. Just stand back here. Right. Let's do this one. Wow. Beautiful. Right then, up into the altar area. Oh, it's got lovely floor. Beautiful. That.